Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed, subject teacher computer at Beria Foundation College, Nosher Firoz. Dear students, in previous lecture we discussed about some scanning devices. These devices were a barcode reader, OCR and MICR. Dear students, today we are going to discuss said devices again, or today we are going to repeat these devices. So first of all we will discuss a barcode reader and barcode. The barcode that is displayed or that is described on your book page number 17. Dear students, the finger on which I have placed my finger, or the picture on which I have placed my finger, is known as barcode, and the picture on the same page is known as barcode reader. Dear students, there is a little bit difference between a barcode and barcode reader. So first of all we will discuss about a barcode. A barcode is a series of black and white lines of varying thickness. Barcode is such a code which carries or contains the information about the product, about the manufacturer and the country of its origin. So dear students, the codes or the number which are printed on barcode, these are the containers of the information of any product. Dear students, this is a barcode reader. This is one of the input devices, or in other words we can say this is one of the scanning devices. So first of all we have to say, or we have to describe the function of a barcode reader. Dear students, barcode reader is a device which is connected to the central computer to read the information from the barcode whenever we need to overview, or whenever we need to achieve or receive some information from an item. A barcode is placed on an object. Whenever we need to know about the information of the product, we will connect barcode reader to the computer and we will place barcode reader on this code. Barcode reader will read the information from the code and will send the information to the computer, and the information that is sent by barcode reader to the computer is displayed on the screen. Dear students, now we are going to discuss about OCR and MICR. Dear students, OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. OCR is a type of scanner, or OCR is one of the input device. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. So dear students, the device on which I have placed my finger is known as OCR. It is optical character recognition. This is also one of scanning devices that can scan type documents, pictures, graphics or even handwriting into a computer. Dear students, the finger on which I have placed my finger is known as OCR, and this one picture is known as MICR, and MICR stands for magnetic in character. This device is mostly used in banking industries. This device is mostly used in banking industry, and it was especially developed for scanning system in 1950 for processing checks. It is still used in banking industry. The bank branch account number are encoded on the check before it is sent to the customer. So dear students, these are the scanning devices that we have discussed. Now I am going to give you some homework that you will have to solve and send me the answer about the asked question on our WhatsApp group. Dear students, first of all, you will have to answer that where MICR is used. Question number 1, where MICR is used. Question number 2, what is difference between barcode and barcode reader? So this is the end of your lecture. Be stay your home. Take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.